Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you a figure made in China by the Ujindou brand that arrived at my house today.
I don't want any more dolls around me.
I decided to buy this figure representing an Eastern Front, GD Division Panzer officer for a reason. I have German soldier dolls that had incomplete equipment or needed replacement. I really wanted to buy an American soldier, but this was the option at this time. Still, I ordered a pair of gaiters for my American soldier. Accessories that are not used in this figure will be used in others, that's the idea. I will make a video about this. And let's see the doll coming out of the box. The box is very beautiful. I'm going to remove the seals to open it. This is my first figure from this brand. The lid has an excellent background for photos on the opposite side. These are the badges to be used on the figure. I apologize for the poor quality of the video, and from now on I will not comment on what we are seeing to spare you from my beautiful computerized voice.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.